Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. I'm Sadath Khan, spiritual life coach and facilitator of Discover Yourself workshop. Discover Yourself workshop, many have asked what it is all about. It deals with different topics of human design, inner engineering, the machine that Allah has given us, how to operate the human body, the mind, the body, the spirit. And one of the core or the key that this workshop addresses is to know your enemy. Not only to know your enemy, but to how to take control of it and take charge of life. Most of the people are on autopilot, are machine in the rat race, and it is running your life, and you are not aware that you are aware that it is running your life. And this workshop addresses that core and helps you to see and recognize and then take control of it and charge of your life. So the enemy is creating all that problems in your life. You are creating your own problems, and you cannot see that you are creating your own problems, and you're blind to it. And you assume that all the problems that you are facing is because of others around you. And that's why you want to get rid of them